Yeah, Daddy just went bye-bye. He's going to work. There he goes. Daddy's going bye-bye to work. And we, Mr. Snotty McSnottikins. Avery, you got excited. What are we doing?
Moving.
Well, we are moving. You're right. But where are we going?
To the playground, Pet.
Yes! We're going to the playground. Whoa. Mommy doesn't hit a car.
But that one, that's rock.
Huh?
But that one not an ambulance.
It's not an ambulance.
Up, not down.
You need your window up, not down. Okay. Up. Up. Oh, you want yours down. Okay. Just say down, Bentley. Say down, please. We say down, please. It feels so good outside, y'all. So, yes. We are going to the playground. The playground. Yeah. And guess what? Avery. We are going to ride bikes. Well, y'all are going to ride your bikes. Mommy didn't bring her bike this time. But this is going to be y'all's first time riding your bikes at the playground. You can ride over there. Let's go that way.
Okay.
Whoa. Come on, Ben. Whoa. Yay, look at y'all. Yeah. Good job, y'all.
Which one is that?
Yeah, it's uphill, so it's a little harder. Come on, Ben, you can do it. Billy said, forget this. I'm walking. Come on. Y'all want to go get on the slide and stuff?
No.
Oh, no? Okay. You just want to ride your bike? Oh, the swings? And the climbers? Okay. Come on, Ben. Come on, Bentley. Bentley, let Avery go by. Say, excuse me, Avery. Come on.
Get down.
Okay.
Get down.
Billy wants to sit in there and play. Okay, you don't have to. having a little park day. I know it's been a while since you've seen us. I am actually, Ben, put that back. You done found him a bag of chips. Put it back. So yeah, I know it's been a while since you've seen us. Y'all are going to see us today on this video, okay? Because my issue has been that I've been recording a lot of stuff. I just haven't been editing it and putting it up. So, and it probably will just be a day at the park with the kiddos that you'll see here. And honestly, I just might start my videos like that for right now because I'm not successfully taking days worth of videos and getting them up for y'all. So I gotta change up change it up. Bentley, go get on the other one. So I gotta change it up. So my change for 2019 with my videos is going to be to just try a different technique to getting them up. So that's my plan for right now. Whoa! I see! Huh? Did I? I'm not in there. I'm on the outside. You're on the inside of there. You want to get up there? Okay. Whoa. Wow. Whoa, Bentley. Whoa. Go, Avery, go. Put your feet on the thing. Go. Whoa.
Whoa.
Look. I am.
I am.
You ready to eat?
No.
Oh. Whoa, motorcycle. Hey, it's going pretty fast. Ben, come on, Ben. Get on, ride it, baby. Hold on, Avery. I have to get in front of you. I have to get in front of you. You can ride down here, but I just have to get in front of you. Stay on the sidewalk. Slow down, Avery. Thank you. Come on, just slow down. All right, Mr. Swerving Bentley. You are. Good job. You're welcome. Huh? You'll catch up with me? Yeah, mommy just wants to stay in front of y'all so I can make sure you don't fall. Okay. Just stay on the sidewalk. Come on, Ben.
I'm not gonna fall in the water.
Please don't.
I won't.
All right. Come on, baby. Yeah, you got it, buddy. Go harder. Come on, y'all can do it. I am. I am. Yeah, you got to push really hard. You got to use all of your Avery muscles. Come on, y'all almost there. Almost up the hill. Come on, Bent. There is another playground over there. There you go, Bentley. Come on, push, Bent. Push. Push. You can do it. Where? Let's talk. We're all together now. That's awesome. So, where are we gonna go eat?
I'm not gonna go eat.
Why not?
Because I don't want to.
Avery, why don't you ever want to go eat?
I don't want to.
Why not? What if it's a good food? What if it's food with a toy? Huh? What if you get a toy with it?
No.
Well, what if you get a toy?
Yes. No. We can't get a toy.
Why not?
We can't get a toy with it.
I think you might be able to. Bentley, do you want food with the toy? Food that comes with the toy, Bentley? You want food that comes with the toy? Yes? No? Yes? Okay. All right. How do I get them out of the park?
I made it.
You made it. Good job, man. You want me to help you?
Uh-huh.
Push it in.
Uh.
Yeah. There we go. Good job. You got it? Help? Okay. Good job. Huh? What, Bentley? Okay, come on. Go open your door and get in. So we can go get a Happy Meal. Avery, did you get yours buckled?
Uh-huh.
Yes, ma'am?
I'm in.
Yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-oh, man.
Yay!
You did it.
I'm in.
Now you got to do the other part.
I'm
Okay.
in.
Okay, good job.
You do win.
I'm going to win next time.
I got it.
You trying to grab me?
Yes.
Yes.
No, I wasn't.
You wasn't? Okay.
I'm trying to get a door.
You were trying to grab the door. Ah, gotcha. Okay, you got to push it in there. Perfect. Now that goes up so you can be safe. Don't pull it down, Avery. Stop that. Silly. Successful park day. All right. Ouch.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, baby. Thank you.
Where did you get hurt?
I smashed my foot. I smashed my foot in the door. How'd that happen? Huh?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I did see.
Oh, you saw that?
Yeah.
You did. Okay.